Hi students, welcome to Smart Class. This video is meant for 10th class students. Subject is biology and the topic is structure of leaf. Okay. Students, observe this diagram. This is transverse section of leaf. Okay. So leaf is called food factory of the plant because leaves synthesize food in the process of photosynthesis. So that leaves are called food factories of the plant. Now, students, come to the parts and their functions of leaves. So, students, observe this upper side. This is the upper side of the leaf, and this is lower side of the leaf. And if you observe upper side of the leaf, there is epidermis. So the epidermis which lies towards upper side of the leaf is called upper epidermis, and also there is lower epidermis. So the epidermis which lies towards the lower side of the leaf, it is called lower epidermis. So this is upper epidermis and this is lower epidermis. So what is the function of epidermis? So this epidermis protects the internal tissue of the leaf. So that is the function of epidermis. It is the outer layer. And students observe the outside of the epidermis there is waxy layer. It is called cuticle. You can find this cuticle outside of this lower epidermis also. This is cuticle. So what is the function of cuticle? So cuticle helps retain the water inside the leaf cells. So that is the function of cuticle. Okay, now students, come to the next important tissue. So the tissue which lies below this upper epidermis, it is called palisade parenchyma. So observe the cells of this palisade parenchyma. The cells are somewhat elongated, and you can find some spots, some dot-like structures. These are called chloroplasts. So in this palisade parenchyma, more chloroplasts are present, so that the upper side of the leaf appears somewhat dark green comparing to the lower side of the leaf. So in this lower side, the chloroplast number is less compared to the upper side. So the upper side of the leaf appears dark green, lower side of the leaf appears light green. So here observe. So this is upper side of the leaf dark green. So this is lower side of the leaf light green. Okay. Now students, come to the next tissue, this tissue. So the tissue which lies between palisade parenchyma and this lower epidermis. This tissue is called spongy parenchyma because this tissue appears like sponge. The cells of this spongy parenchyma are loosely arranged and irregular arranged, so that it appears like sponge, so that this tissue is called spongy parenchyma. And inside this cells of this spongy parenchyma, you can find some dot-like structures. These are called chloroplast, but less in number comparing to the chloroplast present in this palisade parenchyma. Okay, that is. Now students, come to the next part, the pore-like structures. So these are called stomata. So through stomata, air passes into the leaf. And come to these cells. So either side of the stomata, some kidney-like cells are there. These are called guard cells. So the guard cells not only protects the stomata, but also helps in the opening and closing of the stomata. So that is the main function of guard cells. Now come to the next part. So observe this space, big space. It is meant for air. So it is nearer to the stomata. Here also you can observe. So these are called air spaces. So that is. Student, now come to the next, this mid part. This is mid vein part of leaf. and this is called vascular bundle, vascular tissue, the tissue which helps in the transportation of materials. It is called vascular tissue. So observe this vascular tissue. There are two types of tissues are there. The tissue which lies towards upper portion of the leaf, this tissue is called xylem. So the function, so it helps in the transportation of water and minerals from root system to shoot system, that is stem. And come to this tissue. This tissue, it is called phloem. It lies towards the lower portion of the leaf. So this helps in the transportation of food material from leaf to shoot, shoot to root. So students, this is about the structure of leaf. So it is very important question, and practice it and try to get good marks in your coming examinations. All the best. Thank you very much.